CMF by Nothing has launched its next duo of audio devices, including the CMF Buds and the CMF Neckband Pro. In this video, we have with us the Neckband Pro. Let's review it and find it whether it's good or bad. CMF stands for Color Material Finish, and just like Nothing, the brand's major play is on design. One can notice that with how the Neckband Pro has been designed. It comes with an attractive orange shade along with the other two, which have a more muted look. While at the first glance, it would look like most of the neckbands, but it is when you begin to notice the controls where the neckband stands out. It has a single pairing and a function button, while a dial on the neckband is the main controller. We haven't seen such a design on many neckbands, and for sure, it's intuitive and easy to use. You can notice the minute details in design, such as the design of the speaker grill is pill-shaped cutouts placed next to each other, which is also something we haven't seen before. Back to the dial, turning it left or right will increase or decrease the volume. I love the sound it is making. It's slow, clicky, and the feel is good. Not only that, but you can also customize these controls via the Nothing X app. You can find it on Play Store. As for the comfort factor, the buds are quite comfortable in the ear and fit well. They have a snug fit along them to stay inside the ear, even if you're working out or doing something that requires a lot of head movement. The wire quality and the plastic portion seems well made and durable. The CMF Neckband Pro is equipped with a chipset and 5 HD mics to deliver noise cancellation of up to 50 dB. It further packs a 13.6mm composite diaphragm driver and a 0.27cc back chamber to enhance bass depth without distortions. The CMF Neckband Pro audio gets adequately loud at higher volumes, but could have been louder compared to some other neckbands I have tried. The bass is clear and gives that thumping feel in relevant tracks. There are 5 equalizer modes to choose from, out of which the balanced one worked out really well. The device connects wirelessly over Bluetooth 5.3 and supports AAC and SPC codecs. We didn't face any issue while connectivity. Regarding the call quality and the battery backup, it's really good. I have used many of the neckbands, but this one is really great. It connects well and the call quality is also good and it feels good and the battery life is good. Overall, everything about this particular neckband is good. The CMF Neckband Pro is in a league of its own, and it's not only one of the nicely designed ones out there, but also excels in most other areas, making it a highly recommended purchase in my opinion. If you want to buy, links are provided in the description. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.